Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This Milani powder blush in romantic rose color is the sweetest and the cutest pinky blush. It's the perfect light pink for whenever I want to use a very light blush that I don't want it to be overwhelming, but I want a little just of blush on my cheeks. Especially when my makeup is concentrating more in my eyes, I want that blush just to be enough and super light. And I love this formula because it can be built. I can apply two layers in case I just want to make sure that the blush stays in place. And it doesn't take much product. It's just a few brushes and that's it. I'm ready. And that's my point of view.